Address is 13110 Knowlcrest Street, Precinct 3. It's in Houston. Residential single family, residential approved. Zip code 77015. The land size is 9,750. Area is 945. Minimum bid is 10,535. HCAD value is 56,233. Exemption is homestead. First time sale. Garage in the back looks like it's been roof caved in a little bit. Nice neighborhood. Things seems to be clean up and down the street. House looks, siding's been done recently, but